Welcome back to Austin Gaming. I'm Austin, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to avoid making a huge mistake when using OBS. Also, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. So, recently I found that OBS encounters an easily avoidable audio recording issue if you don't follow a few simple steps when launching the program. Also, just a side note, that this may affect Streamlabs OBS since they are essentially the same software. This recording issue is pretty much going to make anything that you are streaming or recording completely useless, as it's only going to record your mic audio from the mic that you have plugged into your PC, and it's not going to record any game audio or any audio that you have from a party chat. Now, I have a recording saved on my computer from a couple days ago where I made this exact mistake, and it adversely affected my stream. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to that video and show you what that looks like. We are set. Let's fucking do this. So as you can tell during this video, you can only hear my mic.
Yeah, I knew the best thing to do was just fucking take them out because I didn't want to run past and have them. They'd be the team that would fucking sneak up behind us then and fuck us. Yep, that's the one team that I seen over to the left earlier.
Yeah, there's absolutely no game audio, no chat audio from the people that I'm talking with on Xbox. So again, that's going to really adversely affect your stream or your recording that you're saving for a YouTube video. So after making this mistake for myself, I went back and I looked at the recording and I started doing some research as well as testing things out here on my end. And I've come to the conclusion that this issue is caused by starting your PC and OBS program before you actually turn on, say, the Xbox or PlayStation or other PC that you're recording from. When you do those things out of order, it's going to basically cause that recording issue where you're only going to record your mic audio. You're not going to be recording any audio from the device that you're trying to record it from. So again, that's extremely easy to mess up, but at the same time, that's an extremely easy issue that you can avoid by just, me now, I wrote down on a Post-it note and put it right next to my computer that, hey, you need to start your Xbox, you need to start your PlayStation before you launch OBS, because if you don't, then you're basically going to waste that, 2-3 hours or however long you're streaming. For me, that was, a 3.5 hour long stream that I did, and I recorded the content to try to make some YouTube videos, and I didn't have any audio for it. So I basically had to scrap 3.5 hours worth of footage, and it's kind of a waste of my time, kind of a waste of my, night that I had that I could have spent doing anything else, but instead I was wasting it streaming with no audio. So if you want to avoid making the same mistake that I did and making yourself look like an idiot on Twitch, just like I did, then you're going to want to follow the 2 simple steps which I just informed you of, which are going to be starting the device that you're capturing from first. Then, after starting that device, you're going to want to start your PC and the OBS program. Now, if you found this video helpful, then remember to like and subscribe. Also, I'm live on Twitch, hopefully with audio, every Sunday, Monday, and Friday. Usually go live around 7 p.m., so join me on Twitch and ask me any questions in the chat.